Today's video is brought to you by UAH and the Furever Clean, along with the Patronum Cloak. Not one, but two. More on that later. Let's begin by looking at the Furever Clean. What is this thing? What could it be? If we could just get into the box, we'll find out. Hold on, I've got to get a knife. Okay, now we're going to get into this package and see what it is. So it turns out I put way too much of the soap in there. You're only supposed to put like very, very little down to here, and then the rest is water. So I'm gonna turn this on and see how it works before we bring the dog in. Let's check it out. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, look at that foam. Wow, this is gonna be cool. All right, let's go get a dog. Alright, Zulu. I think the trick here is going to be getting her used to this thing. They already don't like the bath, so let's see how she reacts. It's not very loud. Look, Zulu. I'll give her a couple little strokes with it first to get her used to the feeling. I'll turn it on. It's nice and quiet, so it's not going to scare her or anything. I like that it has these little rubber suction cups on it, or suction cups, little rubber fingers, I mean. And wow, look at the way it allows me to scrub her. That is really nice. Wow. I think you'll like it, don't you, kid? All right, so we're gonna get you all soaked up here. The really nice thing here is that this thing is fully waterproof, so I can just clean it like that, set it aside, and then we'll give it a little hand rub down too. Get the taily. Yeah. You like that, don't you, Zulu? And now it's time for doggy number 2. Ladies and gentlemen, I present Zinga. All right. Let's get you wet, and then we'll get you sudsed up. How about that? All right. Time for some suds. Here they come. Woo, nice. Oh, this tool is a joy to use. As much suds as I can possibly want. In fact, probably more than I should use. Still got to get the soap off at some point. But yeah, and you can see that he, as well as she, loves the massaging aspect of the rubber fingers on the head. Very nice. In fact, I can even get his tail with it. So this not only gives you suds, but as you can see, it is a great scrubber tool. And so, we're going to continue cleaning and dip and rinse. Very easy. I love the waterproof fact on there. It's great. And whoa, don't lean too hard. You're going to fall over, bud. All right. Oh, hello. Say hi. Oh, look at that cute face. So adorable. Yeah. Hey, I just gave you a bath. You don't need another one. Ready? Shaky, shaky. Come on, bud. Who wants ice cream? Who wants ice cream? Yeah, we excited now? Let's go. This little scrubber tool does a really amazing job, and it's going to clean up very easily. All I'm going to have to do is clean it in some water, and I can leave the soap in it for the next time. It's going to be just fine. It's got a USB-C charger right behind this part here. You just lift up and plug it in to charge it, and it'll be ready to go for the next time. And then one last thing, the scrubber head itself actually comes off, so you can use it as a scrubber separate from the tool. So, and there you have it. Now on to the second part. So there's this one other item that was sent to us by UAH. Let's find out what this is. Wait a minute. What is it?
You are so cute. You are so cute. You are the cutest little reindeer. What does it say here?
Patronum Cloak.
Oh my goodness, you are so cute. You want your ice cream? Oh, I'm going to give you your ice cream.
Look at you, Zulu. But wait, there's one for brother too.
Zinga Ray, look at you, my little reindeer. You are so cute. You want some ice cream? Let's get some ice cream. Look at you running like a reindeer. Ah, look at you. Oh, Zinga Ray. You being like a reindeer, huh? You wanna have it by the fire? Look it by the fire. You have ice cream by the fire. There you go. Let's see how you do on your own. He's trying. Without Mama holding it.
Those little antler ears are so cute. See if he'll keep it on.
He won't, because he's like, is that my ice cream?
Yeah, he's leaning forward.
Now they will.
There you go.
Little reindeer. You are so cute, Zinge. There's a little reindeer eating ice cream.
Meanwhile, over here.
Let's move up here, Zinge, because you're out of control.
So this is a really nice quality terry cloth feeling material. Very soft, very luxurious. It's okay. And love the cute little antler ears. What a clever addition. It's got a couple different size snaps, and it snaps around the belly as you saw. So this is a great way for them to dry. And we already use the ice cream to help them because it keeps them still while they dry, but this is even better. We love it.
Thank you so much.
So thanks again to UAH Pet for these amazing gifts for Zinga and Zulu. If you guys would like to try these products, they have been kind enough to offer us a 15% code for you guys so you can get one. And remember, the holidays are coming, so these are gonna make great gifts. Also, for every purchase made using our code, UAH will donate $6 to help stray animals. So go check out their website and get yours today.
Are you getting him from the front?
Yeah, hang on. It's just cute.
His little tails are there. Little reindeer. My little Zinga reindeer. He's so happy and he's nice and warm. He's so cute. What are you doing? Did the ice cream tickle you?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? What are you doing, girl?
What are you doing? Hi. You're doing funny. She don't know what to do. Are you a reindeer? You are so cute.